9. Imagine implementing your design. So this is my favorite part because I get to time travel. So now I have become Mr. Rhodes, the new principal. After time traveling back to the moment Dr. Newman speaks with me, I decide very quickly to check over option 3 and make a few changes. First, I will not wait until the end of the semester. I will use last year's data. These habits are sure to have happened last year too. Surprising myself, my decisions did not include using Dr. Newman's advice in speaking to the truancy officers. But what may happen is this. Some of the parents were taken aback by our meetings. However, when I explain that I'm willing to take their individual cases into consideration, they relax. Carl's dad is a tough one, though. Until I say, Carl may want to simply get a GED and pass over high school. Carl's dad breaks down and said that he really needs Carl's help with his business because he just found out he, the dad, has leukemia and he hasn't told anyone. And this is the first time someone's cared about why he wants Carl to take those vocational classes. Dr. Newman approves of my plans, meetings, case-by-case assessment, school mindset, etc., and he says that he will assist however he can, and besides that, he follows through. And this is where Karen says she's pregnant and wants to be a homemaker, but will finish her high school degree if she's offered parenting classes because its development was unexpected. Golden Oaks High School develops a new club, the Golden Oaks Good News newspaper, and writes quarterly articles with such headings as Perfect Attendance Awards and John Football Quarterback stars winning goal for 3 games in a row. Christina's minister helps one of the teachers start the Fellowship of Christian Athletes, where you do not need to be an athlete or a Christian to attend. In our new family mindset, Golden Oaks adopts the phrase, "This is a reminder," and cancels the wording, "warning," and the concept, "threat." If this plan does not work, my plan B is to sit with a veteran principal and sketch out a new idea that may be a little less Pollyanna, a little more George Washington. These are my citations, and this is the end. So thank you kindly for listening to this presentation.